Welcome to the low mid budget watch report, and today I'm going to unbox the Seiko Macchina Sportiva, the SSC769P1, and let's go. This is my first Seiko watch. I'm not a big Seiko collector. I'm more of a Casio guy. Seiko is a little bit expensive for my taste, but I got this one for $250, and the price is now around I'm gonna check my phone, between $320 and $550. So it's quite a range between the where you buy it. Well, let's open this expensive watch. Not expensive for all, but expensive for me. This is how the box looks like. Maybe you can't see it, but it's a Seiko logo on the box, and there's a box in the box, and it's stuck. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in the box. A tool, some stuff, and two manuals. This is the instruction book, and this is the guarantee and instruction book. Well, then there's a card in it too. Seiko certificate of guarantee. Seiko. It's quartz and solar, so I won't be changing the batteries anytime soon. Well, let's take a look at the watch, and it's on there's a service coupon. From Denmark, I guess, or Germany maybe. And this is the watch on a comfy pillow, and it's plastic around it, and there's a tag with the new link removal system bracelet. Well, and then there's a YouTube kind of stuff where you scan it and visit a YouTube channel, I guess. And it's water resistant 10 bars. It says on this tag right here. I will try to get rid of the tags. I need my knife. And this is how the watch looks without the plastic and the tags. Feels very heavy. Feels like a expensive watch, and it fits very well without removing any links if you're a loose watch guy like me. But if you're concerned about your fragile wrists, like maybe some other people unboxing watches, you should consider another watch, or just remove some links. I'm not a very big fan of chronographs, but I like this Panda face style. I just wanted to have a Panda looking Seiko. To be honest, I don't know if I will use the stop timers. This is definitely a nice watch if you're going to a dinner party. I will never use this, but it works. And you can clearly see the solar panels in the watch. It's a good thing it's summer now, so I will be recharging the batteries all the time. Macchina Sportiva. Macchina Sportiva. The glass is sapphire crystal, of course. From lug end to lug end, it measures 49.5 millimeter, and from the bottom to the crown it measures 44 millimeters, and the dial is 41 millimeter. The thickness of the watch is 13 millimeter, and it's 20 millimeters between the lugs, and the bracelets is 18 millimeters. The replaceable links on the bracelet is 18 millimeters. The clasp is classic push and open clasp, very easy and nice. And this is how the watch looks up close. You can clearly see that this is a well made, nice looking watch. And this is the chronographs in action. They seem to work very nice. And you can see that it's a honeycomb pattern on the solar panels. And yes, on the back side it's the name of the watch, Macchina Sportiva, I guess. And this is how it looks in the dark. As you can see, you can only see the minute hand and the hour hand, and it's a dot 12 o'clock. So it's not too hard to figure out what time it is. Functional, but not the best. Lovely watch for $250. A bit expensive for my taste, but I had to have this Panda looking Seiko in my collection. Maybe if I go to some fancy schmancy place, I will wear my Seiko for fancy schmancy occasions. It's a bit expensive, but it's a solar, so the batteries will last for much longer than the usual quartz. It's sapphire glass, and it's the finish is very well made. If you can afford it, you should definitely get it, but I wouldn't pay I seen this for $400 or $500. It's too expensive. Maybe around $300 is okay. I would give this watch 8 out of 10. The Seiko Panda, that's all. Next watch I will be unboxing will be a much cheaper one. That's for sure.